Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video you are going to learn how to create this modern polygon logo step-by-step tutorial in corelDRAW without any stress. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about corelDRAW you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started and see how you can create this modern polygon logo using corelDRAW. First thing to do is to go to your toolbar right here and click and hold down and make sure you choose polygon. So when you see your polygon, you have to make sure that your polygon is 6. Then you can press Ctrl key down and draw a polygon. Then press P to centralize. Then you can always control the polygon width from the home tab right here. So you can type in 580.18 for the width. Then you come to the height and then type in 609.94 and press enter key. So you're going to have a stuff like this. So next thing you can do is to make a duplicate of this particular polygon. For you to do that, just press Ctrl C to make a duplicate. Then you press Ctrl V to paste. So now the duplicate one here, you have to come back to your polygon property. So for the width, you need to type in 264.78, and then for the height you need to type in 305.75 and press enter key on your keyboard. So you're going to have a stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar right here and make sure you select circle. Press Ctrl key down to draw your perfect circle. Now, one very good thing you need to do as far as circle is concerned, you can always come to the circle property also. So this time around, you need to type in 582.27 and come to the height. Type in 582.27. So this should be 582. Then press enter. So you are going to have stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is to press P to centralize the circle. So you can press Ctrl plus just to zoom out. Now, one thing you need to do right here is to make sure that you snap this particular shape into the edge and make sure it aligns to the top of the polygon. So how do you do that? So I'm going to show you. So just select the circle. So when you select the circle, you have to take it this way and then make sure it connects with the top shape right here. So next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this. For you to do that, just press Ctrl D and then you have to snap this one also this way. Press Shift key and select the top one and press letter C to align. Then you can just use your arrow key to tap it to the top and make sure it snaps this way. Next thing you can do right here is to come back to your toolbar right here, click and hold down and make sure you choose virtual segment delete. So you have to press Hotkey on your keyboard and make sure you connect these points. So you are going to have something like this. Next thing you need to do is to click and hold down, come down here and make sure you choose Smart Fill. Then you have to fill these points. So next thing you need to do is to come back to here and make sure you click on here to remove fill and then right click to add stroke color. Next thing you can do is to click and hold down and make sure you choose contour. For the contour property, make sure you choose inside contour and then make sure your contour interval is 10 and then you drag. Once you have it this way, the next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here, go to object, and then you have to look for break contour apart. Then at this point here, you need to go back to the shape, select on this particular shape right here, and you can fill it with any color again. Then you have to come here, right click here to remove stroke. So next thing you can do is to select this circle and press delete key. Then you can select this circle also and press delete key. This circle right here, press delete key. Next thing you can do is to select this particular shape right here. And this time around, you need to fill this particular shape with a appropriate color. Now, the next thing you have to do is to click and hold down, come down right here and make sure you choose interactive fill. Having choose your interactive fill, this particular logo shape, and then you have to choose fonting. So if you choose your fonting, you need to direct your shape, your gradient in this way. Next thing you need to do, I'm going to copy from this existing color right here. So you're going to have stuff like this. So the color I use for this design is navy blue, deep blue and cyan. Next thing you can do is to make sure you double click on this logo shape. This allows you to have a rotation pane. Next thing you can do is to go make sure the rotation pane, you snap it to the center of the page. So you have to locate center and make sure it's snap. Next thing you can do is to go to window. Then from window, you go to Docker. Then from Docker, you go to transform. Then from the point here, make sure your transform is active. And then right here, make sure your angle is 60. And then make sure your copy is 6. And click on apply. So you're going to have stuff like this. So next thing you can do here is to press shift, select the logo shape, press shift key and select this, shift key and select the third one, fourth one, and fifth one, and the very last one here. Then you have to come to the home tab here, make sure you click on group. You can take the logo shape out and then select everything this way and make sure you press the delete key on your keyboard. Next thing you can do is to fall back to the logo shape and press P to centralize. Next thing you can do is to come to the toolbar here, double click on the rectangle to create a page border. Then you can come here and fill the color with gray. You can come down here, right click on here to remove stroke. So finally, this is how you can make this particular modern polygon logo step-by-step tutorial in corelDRAW without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in corelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.